Hello everyone. The next topic of chapter number 1, accounting and its terminology, is qualitative characteristics of accounting. So qualitative, how the accounts should look alike, is called as qualitative. Okay, so what are the features of it? Number 1 is reliability, number 2 relevance, number 3 understandability, and number 4 compatibility. So reliability means believe, trust. Okay. Accounting information should be reliable. It should not contain any error or false representation. Whatever we are writing in the books of accounts must be reliable, must be trustworthy, because these particular books of accounts will reach to the stakeholders, and stakeholders will take the decisions based on this books of account itself. So it is very much necessary that the books should have the quality of reliability. One single wrong presentation or fraud presentation in the books of accounts will lead to the decrease in the reputation of the company. So it is very much important that the features of reliability must be there in the books of accounts. Second is relevance. From the books of accounts, the different users must get the relevant information. Okay, it should have the quality of relevance. Okay. The accounts should be prepared keeping in view the objectives, of different users. Okay, based on that only we have to prepare the books of accounts. The information should be provided keeping in mind the different users. Accounting statement prepared at the end of the accounting period should satisfy the required objective. Supposedly, being the owner of the business, I want to get the information regarding the profitability. Okay, so I should get the answer of net profit from the books of accounts. Suppose the debtors whom I have sold the goods on credit. Okay, so if he wants the information regarding the goods of the business, then he can get the information from the books of accounts. Suppose bank wants to grant the loan to me, want the information regarding the efficiency of the business, he should also get the information. So in short, relevance must be the priority of the business in the books of accounts. The different type of users must get that relevant information from the books of accounts. Understandability, clear. The books of accounts will be prepared in an understandable manner. Understandable manner means you got to follow the rules and regulations. You got to follow the rules and regulations by preparing the books of accounts. Neatness must be that. Okay, you must be very clear which account will be debited, which account will be credited. That also you must be very clear with that. Okay, you must be very clear with the rules of accounting. You must be very clear with writing of the books of accounting. Whatever short terms, okay, you are using, okay, that short term must be simple and must be understandable. Okay, BF, B oblique F, it means brought forward. C oblique F, it means carried forward. A oblique C, it means account. So whatever terms if you are using, it must be very clear, it must be in an understandable manner. The information should be clear and in a proper form. We got to write in the books of accounts. Okay, because our books of accounts will reach the stakeholders. Okay, and there is no explanation given. Okay, there is no proper person, okay, who will explain that, okay, what I have written. So the language which we are using for writing the books of accounts must be very clear, very much clear. Okay, don't use any other synonyms for that. Antonyms are not allowed only. Synonyms for that. Okay, try to make your language as clear as possible. Try to give your accounting statements, informations in an understandable manner. Okay, and last is comparability. Okay, comparability as the business, okay, can compare himself or herself with himself or herself. Since last 5 years, suppose I am doing the business, so 5 years report I might be having. Okay, that 5-year report I can compare. First year I was in this place, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year. So I am comparing myself. So if I compare myself, okay, then I will come to know where I am, where was I, now where I am, and where I have to reach. Okay, so with the help of books or accounts, I can compare myself even Even I can compare with other companies doing the same business, running the same business. Suppose I am running the business of preparing manufacturing marker. Okay. So other companies who are manufacturing the marker, I'll compare myself with them. So what are my drawbacks? I have told you earlier SWOT analysis called as SWOT analysis, SWOT. Strength, what is my strength? I'll compare. What is my weakness? SWOT. Strength, I'll look over my weakness. Oh, opportunities. What are the basics opportunities to grow? And threats, what are the problems? Okay, that I am facing. So I'll go through that analysis and based on that I'll compare myself. So books of accounts must be as such that I can easily compare. Okay, in company's account annual report, it is very much necessary, compulsory to represent to show minimum 2 years of information. This current year and previous year is very much compulsory in the annual report so that the stakeholders can compare. Okay, last year we were there at this position, this year we are in this positions. Okay, so the feature of comparability must be there. So characteristics of accounting, reliability, whatever information is there, we have to believe it is correct without error. Relevance, all the users must get the required information from the books of accounts. Understandability, it must be in a clear form with the help of rules and regulations. And comparability, the books of accounts must be as such that it can be compared easily. Okay, these are the characteristics of characteristics of accounting. Okay, it might be asked for 2 or 3 marks in the examinations. Hope so. Till now, whatever topics I have taught you in chapter number 1 are very much clear with that. I am happy that you all are sitting at home and doing the work on regular basis. Thank you on behalf of the school, on behalf of the teachers. We are very much happy to have students like you in our batch. Thank you once again. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay fit. Okay, take the precautions. Okay. Happy.